Requiem maintenance, forged for performance.
In this video, we'll go through the process of changing the oil filters on a die casting machine. Regular maintenance like this is essential for ensuring stable hydraulic pressure, smooth machine operation, and long-term equipment reliability. Before starting, I make sure the machine is completely turned off and the hydraulic pressure is released. Safety always comes first. I lock out the system, wear gloves, and have a drain pan ready to catch any oil. First, I start with the oil filter. It's located right next to the oil tank. I prefer to remove the whole filter housing instead of working on it in place that way. I can handle it more easily and clean everything properly before installing the new element. Once the old filter is out, you can see how dark it gets. That's all the fine metal particles and dirt it's been collecting from the hydraulic system. Over time, oil picks up contamination from wear inside the machine. Things like pump vanes, valve seats, or cylinder rods. I also check the O-rings to make sure they're in good condition. If they're cracked or worn, I replace them right away to prevent leaks once pressure builds up again. Then I coat the seal on the new filter with a bit of clean oil, install it carefully, and tighten the cap securely. Finally, I wipe the area clean so it's easier to inspect once the system is running again. This filter plays a critical role in the health of the entire hydraulic system. Its job is to keep the oil clean, and clean oil is everything in a hydraulic machine. If the filter becomes clogged or damaged, the oil can't flow properly. That increases system pressure and forces the pump to work harder, creating more heat and reducing efficiency. In the worst cases, a bad or blocked filter can let contamination circulate through the system. Those fine metal particles can scratch valve surfaces, block tiny oil, and cause the hydraulic components to wear out much faster. When that happens, it's not just a filter that needs replacing. You can end up with damaged pumps, leaking seals, or even full system failure. That's why regular filter changes are so important. It's a small job that protects very expensive components and keeps the die casting machine performing like it should. The last one is the suction filter, which sits at the inlet of the hydraulic pump. This filter catches larger particles before they enter the pump and damage the system. I'll remove it carefully and wash it with clean oil or a safe solvent. Never use air pressure because it can damage the mesh. After cleaning, I let it drain, inspect it for any damage, and reinstall it securely. Next, I move on to the water filter. This filter protects the cooling system from buildup and debris. I remove the filter housing carefully and take out the screen inside. It usually has fine particles or scale from the water lines. I rinse it thoroughly and make sure the flow path is clear before reinstalling it. Keeping the water filter clean helps maintain stable mold temperatures and better casting quality. Once all filters are serviced, I check the oil level in the tank and top it off if needed. Then I power the machine back on and let it run for a few minutes. I check for any leaks around the filter housings and make sure the hydraulic pressure is stable. Everything looks good, the system is clean and running smoothly again. And that's the complete maintenance oil filter replaced, water and suction filters cleaned. Doing this regularly keeps the die casting machine reliable, improves performance, and reduces the chance of costly downtime. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of maintenance POV content, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more factory and machine maintenance videos.